Good evening again. I'm back with another demo. I think I've made enough progress where I will at least have something to show off. It's not perfect. It's better than it was, and at least it positions proximity sounds in a way through doorways that's at least where you can at least follow the sounds and find them. Without embarrassing myself too much, I'm going to play a recording of me counting. This is the viewpoint. The middle segment is the forward view, and the left and right segments are the left and right orientation to the players, so that you have an idea of where the sounds should be coming from. And this is the sound itself. So I'm going to start it up, and I'll show you all the effects in the map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1. So I'm going to stop it there, and what I'm going to do as an experiment, I'm going to close my eyes and put this sound in the over here in the garage and see if I can make it to the sound. I'm going to start it up, and then I'm going to randomly rotate myself, and then you can watch me follow the path. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think this is working. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess I found 4, it. It took 5, me a little while. 6, 7. I think I might have stepped through a bad wall in the demo and ended up in the wrong place. So just as a further example, or a further demo, I will put this in 3D mode, and you can see what it's like to move through the hallways and how the sound aspect changes. Some of you who play Phasmophobia might recognize this as the Edgefield map. I wanted to come up with a reasonable representation of a house floor so that I could get some reasonable sound paths through the doorways and whatnot. So I'll put this in 3D mode, and I'll activate the sounds again, and I'll find the sound one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's basically how it works. I'll keep working on it to, well, I'm not going to tweak the sound yet, but what I am going to do is try to complete the map. I'm trying to get some staircases going up and down. It's going to complicate the nodes a bit. Might complicate the paths too, but the basic algorithm itself still should work. So I hope to be back in another week or so with a fuller demo with a house with 3 floors on it, and see if I can find the sounds again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in another week. Have a good evening.